What's up guys, Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. Today we are unboxing a device which was just launched yesterday. And from the looks of it, this one seems to have undergone a complete makeover in just about every aspect compared to its predecessor, the VIVO V9. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's inside the package. Moving on to the phone itself, the V11 sports a 6.41-inch display that utilizes a smaller notch compared to the V9, which gives you a bit more screen. They call it the Halo notch, and since this is a Super AMOLED screen, color appears rich and slightly more saturated than usual. On the left side is a triple slot tray, while the right side houses both the volume rocker and the power button. The back panel utilizes color fusion, which literally fuses a sleek glossy design with a glittery finish, which in turn responds beautifully to light from the right angle. Vivo still can't move on from a micro USB port, which can be found at the bottom, along with a microphone and a headphone jack. Moving on to the rest of the specs, the V11 runs on FunTouch OS 4.5 on top of Android 8.1 Oreo and is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor, along with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, expandable with a micro SD card. At the back, there's a 12-megapixel main camera paired with a 5-megapixel secondary sensor, which is used for depth sensing. It also features slow-motion video recording and AI scene recognition, which basically optimizes the cameras depending on the subject. The 25-megapixel camera features AI face beauty, AI self-lighting, and more. Perhaps one of the V11's key features is its in-display fingerprint scanner, which so far works fast and is accurate for most of the time. Should you prefer facial recognition, it still has a Face ID access. And if you're a music lover, you'll be a bit disappointed as the phone also does not have a dedicated hi-fi chip from improved sound quality. As for the battery, the device boasts a 3400 mAh power pack and has a dual engine fast charging, so you don't have to stay near an outlet for too long. And at the time of this unboxing, VIVO V11 is priced at $19,999. So that's it for our unboxing of the VIVO V11. Let us know your thoughts on this device in the comment section, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to Gadget Pilipinas for more unboxing videos and tech contents. This is Gian. Stay tuned for a full review of the VIVO V11, and thank you for watching.